Hi boys and girls, this is Miss Jones from the Dalton Public Library. I'm here today to show you how to make a paper ball. Something you can play with at home without getting mom and dad upset. Okay, all you need, your materials would be your glue stick, some scissors, and maybe a couple of pieces of construction paper. It only takes 4 pieces. I'm going to start with the larger pieces. This makes the bigger ball. I have 4 strips. Now let's get started. For each strip you take it and fold it equally so you have equal parts. Okay, as such. You have equal parts for each one. So right now I'm going to fold all 4 strips. Okay, so we're done. So you take the first strip and place it down. You get your glue stick, and in the center where that fold was, right in here, you dab a little glue. And you take whichever color you choose and put it in that fold where you place the glue. Okay. Then you use your glue stick again, and what we're doing is placing the folds of the paper on the glue stick where you put your glue. Okay, glue stick again. Now our last piece, which is the green. Okay, and make sure you mash it pretty hard so the glue will hold it. And you'll have something like this. It should look something like this. Okay. Now at this point, we're going to connect the 2 ends together. So we're going to put the glue stick here. Bring this one up. And we're going to attach it, fold it over this end from end to end. Like so. And we're going to take the green one with the glue stick and bring it up and put it on top of those, like so. Then you take the other part of the green. Sometimes this will move. As long as you're attaching one end of the color to the other end of the color strip, you'll be fine. Attach this one. And so. And now we'll do the yellow. Attach it to the top. On this end, okay, we need a little more glue. And attach it to the top of the yellow, to that end there. And you may have to mash it a little bit, apply a little pressure so it'll stay. Now we're working on our last strips. Purple up, take it in the center. Last but least, this is our last end to attach. Put it there. Okay, and kind of mash it. There. Now we have a ball that we can play with in the house with mom and dad, and then you won't get upset. You can make it any type of color that you choose. We can even make the smaller balls. To make the smaller ball, You just need the shorter strips. And I hope you enjoyed this program today, and see you next time.